Okay, this is video 2 on the curve-to-curve transition piece. Now, the first thing I want you to notice, this big triangle that you can see here, that is true size and shape. So you can, and you know this because it's a straight vertical face that you can see at the top here. Okay, so if this is straight vertical face and you're viewing it perpendicularly in the front view, then I can just pull that out, and I know that that is true size and shape. So I'm just going to pull that out here, trim off the part that's not part of the triangle, and then so that's going to be my initial reference. Okay, and let me go back and make that red again so I can know I'm done with that. Okay, so now all we need to do really is to do something we did on, I think, our second lab assignment this quarter, is to do true length of a line by using the revolution method. Okay, so what I'll just do, I'll just work my way around, and I'll check this green line to start off with. Okay, start from the horizontal. Okay, and that line is 2.0626. Okay, now this line starts off from here. Okay, and that's where I'm going to start it off in my development, from the same point. So I'll draw a circle, 2.0626. Okay, now what I need to do is to figure out the circumference of this circle. Okay, so I can go to properties, and the circumference is pi, basically 3.1416. Okay, and more importantly, I needed to divide that by 12, so I can use the cal function, 3.1416 divided by 12, and that's 0.2618. So what I'll do, I'll come up to this point and draw a circle with a radius of 0.2618. Okay, and now what I've done, I've created an intersection point. So I can draw a line from here to here. Okay, and this is my green line in my development, so I can just match properties. Okay, now, so I won't have to calculate the circumference every time, or 1/12 of the circumference. I'll just move that circle out and erase this one. Okay, and I'll erase those. Okay, so now that I've done that, I need to find the true length of this yellow line. Okay, and that yellow line goes from here okay, and that true length is 2.136. Okay, so I'll just draw a circle, 2.136, and now this is the same in this case. Okay, the division between these points are the same, so we can use the same small circle that we created up here earlier in this case. Okay, so I can just copy it down here. Alright, and now again I have an intersection point, so I can create a line from here to here. Alright, and then I can move that circle out and erase this one, and I will erase these. Alright, now I need to create a circle and check this green line here. Okay, and that is 2.0869. So I'll start off here, 2.0869, and I will move this circle into position at the top. Okay, and that is my green line. Let me erase the bigger circle, leave the smaller ones. Just move it out of the way. Erase this. Okay, and erase the line I drew here. Okay, now you may have noticed that when I take this yellow line, because I drew it horizontally in the top view, when I come down here to check the true length of that line, it actually is showing in true length in this case. Okay, it would be best to always double check that, like I'm doing here. 2.136 is the length of that line, and if you'll remember before, it was 2.136 as well, this other yellow line. Okay, so again I have an intersection point. Alright, I can move that line, erase this one. Alright, now I want to check this green line here. That line is 2.1281. Alright. Move this circle into position. Alright. And finally, we will do the last one, which again is shown in true length. Okay, that's 2.136. All right. Okay, so we're not quite done yet. I'm going to bring it back in the third and final video and clean this up and complete the development, but I will go ahead and stop this one where it is and pick up video 3.